G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. All kids love ice cream, so why not also make it a little bit fun, make it with them, because this is a very delicious recipe and it's so much fun. So join me today as I make my version of a no churn unicorn ice cream. Okay, so the ingredients for this recipe are incredibly simple because I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible for the kids to be involved. And this ice cream recipe seriously doesn't get any simpler than this. So into a mixing bowl, I'm going to place in 3 cups of heavy cream or whipping cream or double cream. Basically any type of cream that you use to whip up to put onto desserts. And then with a hand or stand mixer, we're just going to whip this up until we get to the stipped peak stage. And there we have it, and look at that, nice and stiff. Now for 2 more ingredients, I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then we're just going to give that a good whip until everything is well combined. Okay, so next we're going to evenly divide our mixture between 4 bowls. You can do 5 if you like. It really comes down to how many colours you want to use. And now all we have to do is just simply choose what colours you want to use. So for this one I'm just going to add some blue. And for another one, some green. Now you can also add some additional flavouring if you choose, but I'm keeping this just as a pure vanilla type ice cream. So we can't forget pink. And for our last one, let's throw in some yellow. And of course, make sure you use different spoons or teaspoons so everyone can get involved, and we just simply fold the colours through. Don't mix it, otherwise you're going to take out all that air that's been whipped into our cream. So don't over mix it, whatever you do. And if it's not yellow enough or green enough or blue or red enough, or pink I should say, feel free to add a little bit more. Okay, so once all our colours are mixed through, I've just got a standard plastic container. Now make sure it's plastic because this is going in the freezer. And just grab a large amount, one at a time, and we're just going to layer it in like so. Just so it's all mixed up into nice clumps like this. So no particular order. You want it as random as possible. Okay, so just tap it down a little bit and just give it a quick swirl, but don't overdo it because you don't want to mix in too many colours. And just slightly even it out, but not too much. So less is best. And that's it, really don't want to overdo it. That way with each scoop you're going to get a far different colour. Now you could leave it just like that and it'll be fantastic, but I want to make this even more fun for the kids. And what's more fun than adding some sprinkles? Especially the shiny unicorn type ones. So just whatever you have available or whatever you can find at the shops. And that's it. Now how simple and fun is that? Some lovely unicorn ice cream. But unfortunately, you can't have it straight away because right now it's just cream. You need to add the ice part, and that's when the freezer comes in. So I'm just going to place a lid on top. So you want to keep it in the freezer for a minimum, say 6 hours, preferably overnight. So you can have it as a treat after lunch or dessert after dinner. Okay, so I've taken our ice cream out of the freezer. I've had it in there overnight. And as a tip, I've also let it sit at room temperature for 15 minutes just to help soften it up a little bit. Because as with all homemade ice cream, they always turn out a little bit harder than the store-bought versions. But as you can see, it looks absolutely colorfully delicious. So sparkly, so colorfully, and I'm looking forward to giving this a try. So you just have to scoop it up and serve. And there we have a very delicious unicorn ice cream. Now it's completely up to you, as there are already sprinkles on it, but you can also just add just a few more for decorations on top. Just makes it that little bit much more fun. So it not only looks fun, it looks delicious, and I can tell you what, it tastes delicious. Those sprinkles really do add an extra layer of texture and fun. So this is a recipe anyone can make. It's definitely better to make it with the kids because it is so easy for everyone to get involved. But no matter if you use just the one flavor, which is vanilla, or you can choose different flavors, either way, this unicorn ice cream is going to taste simply delish.